everyone, and welcome to my channel. It's Endris Sinombe MUBIANA and nkwendela, and welcome to vlogmas number, is it 6? Yeah, short other videos. Please, if you want to like my other videos, definitely I will appreciate if you also click the like button, comment, and the subscribe button. So today's video is actually I'm shooting a video about my skincare routine. Like in the past few days, I've had a skin breakdown. So see you after this short intro.
Help prevent and treat many diseases, boost immunity, reduce inflammation, help with weight loss, and are good for the skin. Cinnamon is antimicrobial, antiparasitic, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory, which makes it great for treating wounds. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which improves collagen production and keeps your skin tight and smooth, and also cleans impurities, helps heal scars, and stimulates cell formation. Learn how to make the recipe. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice.
Thank you very much for that wonderful video from Natural Skincare. Definitely they're really doing a wonderful thing to teach us about how you can keep your skin very healthy, like on the daily basis. It's not all about buying those expensive products, but even at home you can use the natural products to keep your skin healthy. So like I said it earlier on that I had been having skin problems, skin breakdown recently, and this video basically I'm going to teach you on how I keep my skin healthy.
The products that I'm going to use, I have cinnamon with me. It's actually already in powder form. I also have lemons, yeah, although they are pretty small, but this is small basin of mine where I'm going to add everything. And I also have this thing that I'm going to use to actually do the application on my face. So stay tuned and don't bother myself. So actually the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut my lemons. So if you are younger, you do it to have an empty basin to actually cut these lemons. And then I'm just going to squeeze them. Squeeze them. I'm gonna squeeze them. Yeah, I'm gonna squeeze them. I also cut the other one. Yeah, I'm gonna squeeze it as well. I'm gonna squeeze it as well. Yeah, I'm actually done squeezing my lemons, and the other thing that you can do, since they are seeds already, so you're just going to remove the seeds from the basin that I have. Yeah, just going to remove the seeds. So you can apply this like on a daily basis before you sleep, in the morning, and everything. So from there I'm just going to add like half a spoon of cinnamon powder into the lemon, and then I'm just going to stir everything, yeah, so that they can mix properly. She likes disturbing me, so so once you're done mixing everything, then you can get paper bit, and then you just you apply on your skin. Let me mix this properly.
So I'm just going to apply now, paper bit on my face. So I'm going to do the same again today. Just going to like apply on my face. Now, so you cannot see this because my camera is not that good. Let me do this. Beauty and the Beast. My arm. Oh my god, like my face is on fire like right now, so. Wow. Yeah, like, I'm done for it. I'm done for today. I'm done. I'm like really done. What's up? Oh. Iniko. Oh. Like I'm on fire right now, so fish. But anyway, let's video and I'm just going to wash my face. Still on my face, as you can see. Still on my face. Still on my face. Oh my god. Like it's itchy. But you know it's worth it. If I stop itching now, yeah, so I'm just gonna wash my face. See ya. So like I'm done washing my face. Yeah. Washing. Done washing my face. In this life, I you my little home. Yeah, like this is the final touch. Please get in with everything. So I have my toilet bag with me. So I'm just going to. Okay, that. This is just a Vaseline natural because I hate using other products because I don't wanna, you know, sinifuna akong kalabra, I don't wanna have a night skin, but this one's in this life I can't kill myself. My shit is going, oh my god. I can't kill myself. In this life I can't kill myself. Can't kill myself. You're like, look wonderful. Look wonderful. Then, I'm gonna apply Epidem. Yeah, I use Epidem. After I've done that, I also use Epidem. On this big pimple you cannot see, guys. I'm sorry, I'm gonna buy camera soon. Yeah. Down. I'm just gonna wipe again. Like I hurt a oily face. So I'm just gonna use a bit of phones. In this life I can't kill myself. I can't kill myself. And this will be the longest video ever produced. How do I look? How do I look? How do I look? So like I'm done. I'm ready to go. Did I look natural? Yes, that's right. Love you guys. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and tell me what you think. So like I do this like on a daily basis. Ever since I had like a lot of pimples and everything, so I do this on a daily. So and when I have this face that I really love now. Yeah, so Miss Sinombe MUBIANA. Bye.
Want more health and beauty tips? Like the video and subscribe. As soon as we post a new video, you will be the first to know the news. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.